I think the best bonus of all is this interactive meal planner. It is going to change your life. Not only is it a meal planner, so what you can do is click on the day of the week that you're choosing the meal for, pick the recipe from our recipes that you would like to use. So I'm just going to choose one, but I can also choose what meal I want to eat that day. So I know everyone eats differently. Some people enjoy eating breakfast, some people don't, some people skip it. So you can choose what meal it is and select them for that day. So you've got up to 5 spots per day to choose from. After you've chosen all your meals for the week, you can go into your shopping list and it automatically calculates your entire shopping list. So you can go through and choose which ones you need to buy, which ones you may already have, and that is how easy it is to create your shopping list from this meal planner. It's also extremely interactive with all the buttons being clicked through. So if you want to go back to the recipe index, you can click on it and it'll show you all the recipes that are available. You can also click onto the recipe and it will take you onto that recipe so that you can see what ingredients are included in that recipe. Let me show you how I would set up my weekly meal plan. So I would go in and choose a few things. So I'd probably start off with a nice smoothie for breakfast. Then I would choose this as breakfast so we know what meal of the day it is. I love to have snacks, so I'm going to add in some of my snacks. I would probably munch on some of the granola because it's something I could take with me. And then I would add it, as a snack. Often I'm racing around and I'd probably skip lunch because I usually have a really early dinner. So instead of just adding a lunch, I'm just going to go straight to a dinner meal. Maybe something like a fish would be beautiful. So I'm going to add that in for my dinner. So I'm going to keep mine as that, and then I could go straight onto the Tuesday and just leave those 2 blank. I know Tuesday I'm going to be, say, a little bit busier, and so maybe I might just have some almond butter on the go for some snacks for breakfast. And you can just keep adding all the different things that you want. That could be my snack too. Once you've created your entire meal plan, I might do a berry smoothie as well. And I might have that for lunch. Then you can just go to your shopping list and all of this will be automatically updated and changed, and you can just go through and see which ingredients you do have on hand and which ingredients you need to upgrade yourself. So you could print out this list, or you could even share it with someone who might be going shopping for you.